Good evening to the panel of judges, and good evening to the evaluators and my advisor, Dr. Gino Andres, and to the panel of evaluators. My name is Engineer Guillermo Delmar, and in the fulfillment of Master of Science in Construction Management, I present the enhancing mechanical design of mission critical data centers through building information modeling. My advisor is Dr. Gino Andres. My thesis is all about the how the building information modeling has played a vital role of enhancing the design of mechanical system and mission critical data centers. I interviewed some professionals for mechanical engineers, mechanical designers through interviews, gathering information, because this is a qualitative kind of thesis, and I come up with the this design of the enhancing through beam. So the concern of the design has in modeling we have concept design, the schematic design, we have the detailed design, we have the tender design, and we have the issued for construction stages. This thesis only talk about the beam model in the mechanical part, in which it designs and plays in the layout in the system of mechanical, which enhance the design, like for the routing of the correct layout, spacing of the mission critical data centers, like we have the chillers, we have the pumps, we have the piping, we have the firefighting, and we have the fan walls. We have the computer room air conditioning, in which you will do this in the beam, and it will cause correct layout, correct spacing of the system, and correct routing, and it will enhance your system for the preparation of the design. And usually during the design stage, there is a lot of standards which you need to follow, and you need to create some correct information during the design stage of the mechanical, because this is a critical system and data center. So this is the design page which I discussed previously. There is concept, there is a schematic, there is detailed, there's tender design, and issued for construction designs. So in the design and modeling, we use in Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Navisworks, and Dynamo to properly make the design successful. And during the mechanical design stage, there's a lot of reference, like for the Uptime Institute, the BIM standard, the ISO, and we have also the Telecom and Information Authority standard. And there is some deliverables, like for the DXF, AutoCAD files, PDF, and the Navisworks, and the RVT files, which the BIM has to offer in the design. So the intent of this research is to develop enhancement strategies during design stage using building information modeling in a mechanical system. So I gathered the information on I provide 16 questions to the practicing engineers for mechanical and other beam modelers. And because this is a qualitative, and I make a discussion on this simple research for the enhancement of the mechanical data centers. And then I elaborate in the chapter 4, which discussing the system of the beam in the mechanical design. And statement of problem that during the design of beam and the mechanical, such as this thermal energy storage tank, we have the chillers, we have the piping, the chilled water pipes, we have this fan wall units. If you are working this on the 2D, you cannot expect the proper design, spacing of the chillers, and spacing of the fan wall units for these iteracs of the mechanical data centers. So, like I interviewed some of the professionals and gathered their information, like what is the mechanical enhancement of using beam, and to avoid the problem in the design, and what is the importance of beam during the design stage. And during the mission critical is a big investment of, and trending especially now for like Google, Facebook, and other data center provider. And beam is important in the progress of this research to enhance the mechanical design. And the conclusion that during this system, there is a correct uh, enhancement, proper layout, proper selection of equipments, supplier, and proper distribution of the mechanical design. And I discuss in chapter 4 and chapter 5 the results of the survey and my research. And it helps enhance the mechanical design of this data center. Thanks a lot, and more power to everyone.